Hi, today I'm at Marriott Hotel. This is the genset room. As usual, today we are going to test run the genset under off-load condition. So now here inside in this genset room, we're going to have a look. Okay, this is the genset AMF panel. Okay, ACB just newly changed. Battery voltage okay, charging okay, charger on. They have two genset here. Okay, this is the battery. They are using the lead acid battery, lorry battery, but they parallel it with two unit. This is one set and this is one set. Let's check the battery termination, okay or not. Okay, make sure it's tightened. Take a look at the battery water, okay or not. Touch the battery and feel the temperature. Is it room temperature or there's some warm there? If there's some warm, that means it's a little bit of overcharging. Overcharging can cause the battery water to dry up very fast. Okay, they use double cable to support the amp. Okay, the genset is Caterpillar brand. Here we have another one. Okay, there's two genset. One is genset number 1, another one is genset number 2. Okay, let's check the engine oil. Engine oil okay. Okay, then we check the other side. Okay, engine oil okay. Okay, let's check the belting. No obstruction, everything okay. This is the emergency stop lever. Okay, let's check the fuel level. Fuel level is 50%. One fuel tank for both genset. They link already, so both is 50% level. Okay, we have a look at this side. This is another genset, and this is their battery. Same type, same connection. Okay, battery level okay. No overcharging. Okay, there's water available. Always take note the replacement date. This is the replacement date. Lead acid battery, normal lifespan is 2 years. Some can go even extend 3-4 years. But for best practice, I recommend to replace it every 2 years. As for this installation, they parallel with another unit, so it could last longer. But as far as I know, mostly it will need to be replaced in every 2 years. Okay, here we have some scrap here. The previous replaced ACB. Okay, the engine oil. Okay, now we're going to check the radiator water level. Here we need to climb it up. Okay, here we have the genset radiator water level. Let's see how's the level. Okay, water is clean. There's coolant, red color. Okay, the cap still okay, can lock properly. Okay, now I'm above the genset, so later we'll check that one. Let me get down first. Okay, this one. Okay, here we have it. The other genset. Okay, the water is clean, quite clean. Coolant available. Okay, cap can seal properly. Nothing unusual from the above. Alright. Yeah, the floor is a bit dirty to be cleaned up. Okay, no obstruction on the emergency fuse or the night lever. Make sure ACB is on. Okay, close. Okay, we are going to test run the genset by simulating a signal from the UVR relay. Now let's go to the LV room. Here we have the LV room. This is JW Marriott Hotel. Okay, we have two genset. One genset comes to here, the other genset comes to here. Genset 1 and genset 2. And then we have two ATS panel. This ATS panel is for MSB number 5, and this one is for MSB number 6. Okay, we are going to test run the genset by jumping the signal between these two. This is a UVR relay. This is a abandoned UVR relay. This is a timer relay and contactor control. This is a controller fuse. Okay. So we are going to use the cable to jump the signal. You can hear the sound. The genset is running. Okay, as I remove the jump signal, the shutdown timer will take place. Eventually, it will take about 5 minutes. Then the genset will automatically shut down. And then we also start the other genset also. Okay, let us open the panel. This is another genset. Okay, as for this one, we will use the other method. Okay, this method will open up the fuse. First of all, we open up the genset controller fuse. First. Okay, this is the genset controller fuse. And then we trigger a UVR relay. Okay. Now we're going to trigger a UVR relay by opening up the UVR relay control fuse. Okay. Now the UVR relay is triggered because there's no supply voltage going there. So now we wait the genset to run. Okay, wait. It's not running. Okay, we put it back first. It's using a different type of control. It's not running yet. Okay, as this one is activated, only then we put in this one. Okay, if that's the case, we're going to use the same method by jumping the signal. Okay. Genset is still not running. I think we need to troubleshoot and see what has actually happened, why the genset is not running, or the other one. Okay, genset number 1 is stopped already. Now we need to check genset number 2. Genset number 2, auto, voltage okay. So we're going to test run on manual first. Okay. There's no response. Somebody go and push this emergency stop button. Okay, now should be fine. So auto, okay. Here we just leave it everything normal. We're going to test one more time. Okay, we are going to using the same method just then by opening up the fuse. The genset is running already. Now to normalize the UVR relay, first of all, we put back this one first. Let the UVR relay activate first. Okay, now activated already. Then only we put back the genset power supply fuse. This is to prevent the ATS from changing over. If the ATS change over and function, it will cause power interruption. So now the genset is running, we go check on it. As the ATS signal is normalized, the UVR relay is in function. The genset, after 5 minutes, it will stop automatically. So now we can close back the ATS control panel. And then we can check other thing else. Okay, here we have a field relay which is have a pickup signal activated. So now we're going to reset it. Okay, as you see, this protection relay, they have a fault start signal. This is just a pickup signal. So as you see, we get to know that there's some trigger happen, but it haven't reached a point which it tripped the circuit breaker. So we just reset it. Okay, there's a few of it, quite a number of it, almost all of it. From due to the sensitivity or the adjustment of the timing is too sensitive. Alright, here's some more. Okay, as we wait for the genset to stop, let's take a look at the load. Okay, this is a chiller MSP panel. The amp is about 500. Power factor, power. Voltage 237, 410. Okay, let's check the minimum maximum. Minimum fluctuation and maximum fluctuation. Maximum is still below 253. Demand. Alright. Okay, this is MSP5. Voltage. M. Single phase voltage. Okay. Then we have MSP number 6. Okay, this is voltage, single phase. This is 3 phase. M is just 200 M plus. Okay, power factor in good condition. Okay, this is more step energized. HP single line diagram in place. Okay, there you have it. The test run offload for JW Marriott Hotel genset. Now I'm inside JW Marriott LV room. Hi, this is Starhill and JW Marriott 11 kV main HV room. It's located just next to the LV room. Currently I'm inside here just to do a routine check. Okay, let us have a look what to check. First of all, we have the tripping unit. Okay, this is using dry cell. They have a double charger. Okay, the voltage is alright, charging amp is okay. Alright, it's dry, free from moisture. The switchgear tools are hang. Fire extinguisher, CO2. Room are well ventilated. Borang B license. CO2 system. Pilot cylinder okay. Rubber mat in place. Switchgear tools and truck trolley, rack in, rack out trolley. Okay. Okay, here we have 3 incomer. Incomer number 1. Okay, this is the loading factor. Okay. Then we have incomer number 2. is incomer number 2, currently using 46 amp. Okay, then we go have a look at incomer number 3. This is incomer number 3. Alright, this is the voltage. Current is 28 amp. Single phase. Okay. The switchgear itself is using ABB brand. It's a GCB switchgear. It's using SF6. This is a switchgear inside. Okay, let's have a look at behind, see anything unusual or not. They have some isolated cable dangling here, but there's no voltage. Okay. The switchgear tools is hang properly, so easy to look for when in need of it. Problem of misplaced is reduced. Alright, here we have it. JW Marriott and Starhill main 11 kV switchgear room. This is the HV room. Okay, see you later. 依家我喺砵記便當行緊路去咗間 MB 打包嘢食。頭先咧啱咧就去咗 JW Marriott 試佢架 genset， 同埋 check 佢嘅 installation。睇下靜冇，大致上都幾靜下嘅。